Yan. Wow. I'm flying. Huh? Oh, it's okay. Woo! Yeah, it's raining snow. Come on. Woo! No. Come. It's okay. It's just a snow. Look. Don't go far, huh? Oh! Hindi siya magbasa ba? Hindi siya magbasa ni?
Oo.
Mura siya bunbun ba?
Oo.
Mura lagi siya bas. Yan. Gopo ang tawag dagan dito pero kuyawan.
Oo. Oo.
Di ba kumusalig? Basing motive gum tadi hatin ta makuha ani miss.
Kaya magkuhan ni siya.
Hindi tayo.
Matanaw ra gila. Nara yung trabaho niya.
Siyan. 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 I'm a bigger snow bear. Oh, ship ano? Ay, kabuwa.
Manisia kay this is a lake, Bangas Yarve or Bangas Lake. But since it is winter time, the lake has frozen already, and now we are enjoying the lake. Even there is snow, it is frozen. Roll around. So sa mga dili kantigo mo lang din ha, this is the safest that you can do during winter time. Enjoy the lake. Ano siya? Naman na yung view niya kaning na kanin. Doon ni sa mo ang balay. Enjoy sila sa lake. And during summertime, we enjoy also the lake itself. How is it, Sian? Nice? So, ano to?